Hi everyone, this is a video to demonstrate how to clean your thermal head on your printer. For demonstration purposes, we'll just be using this Citizen CX02 printer. What you're going to need is one of these alcohol pads that you can get from Dischem. Essentially it's just isopropyl alcohol, so even if you have an alcohol bottle with a lint-free pad, you can also use that. So make sure that your printer is switched off, and you can then open it up, take the cassette tray out for the ribbon, and then you'll see here is the print head. So it's this brown stripe here. Essentially what you'll do is you'll open your alcohol pad and you'll wipe it from left to right, turn your pad, and then wipe it again from right to left. Just allow it a minute to dry before you put your cassette tray back into the printer.